how to activate Perx card. So you want to Google search for Perx activate card and go to this first website. Here we will have to click on this link to create an account, and after you have clicked on the link, you will need to enter your details for the new account which you are creating, complete the captcha and submit the form. Next, you will have to check your email for a verification message and just confirm your email. Now we will have to log into our newly created account and activate the card. You have to log in using your email and password. Choose how you would like to receive your verification code. You can do SMS or email. Enter the code to verify your identity, which you will have received via SMS or email, and set up a 4-digit security code. Make sure you remember it. Go to the My Card section and click on Activate Card and enter the activation code which you received, usually from your employer or whoever gifted you the card. And also you have to set up 3D Secure for online use. In the My Card section, you want to select View from the Actions menu, choose 3DS Enrollment, enter the required info like your mobile number and surname, and click Enable to complete the setup. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.